Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Right, question 4, 2019, a little integration and algebra question. So find the integral of 4x cubed minus 6x plus 10 dx. Okay, so let's integrate. So how do you integrate? Well, you take each term, you increase the power of x by 1. So x cubed goes to x to the power of 4. You divide by your new power. 6x, increase the power of x up to squared, divide by the new power. 10, increase x and then divide by 1 if you want, or just leave it as 10x. Okay, and of course you need the constant of integration at the end of it. So tidy it up then, the 4's would cancel. So you'll get x to the power of 4. 2 goes into 6 3 times, so minus 3x squared plus 10x plus c. Okay. Part of the graph of a cubic function f of x is shown below. The graph cuts the x-axis at the point A, 2, 0, B and C. Given that f dash of x, okay, I don't have the original function now, I've got the slope of it, slope of the tangent, or the derivative of it, whatever you want to call it. F dash of x is equal to 6x squared minus 54x plus 109. Show that the original function f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 27x squared plus 109x minus 126. Okay, so if f dash of x, which is equal to dy dx, is equal to 6x squared minus 54x plus 109, then we can say that dy is equal to 6x squared minus 54x plus 109 times dx. And if we get the integral of dy and we get the integral of the function, we will get back to the original function. Okay, get the integral of dy and you end up back at y, the original function, which of course is f of x. So let's integrate this one. So 6x, increase the power by 1, divide by the new power. Increase the power of x by 1, divide by the new power. Increase the power of x by 1 plus c. Okay, I'm just going to go up here to finish it. So let's tidy it up. So 3 into 6 goes twice. So I'm getting f of x equal to 2x cubed minus 27 x squared plus 109x plus c. Okay, so that's what I'm getting from my original function. When they ask you to come back with the original function, they like you to solve the constant of integration, okay? But to do that, they have to have given you another piece of information. There's no way you can get this without another piece of information about this curve, okay? So the piece of information they have given us in this case is that this point is on this curve, okay? So the point 2, 0 is on the curve. Okay, so if it's on the curve, it satisfies the function. So I'm labeling it x, y, and I'm going to sub them in. So I'm just going to sub 2 in for my x's, and then of course it's equal to the y value, which is 0 in this case. So I have 2 times 2 cubed minus 27 times 2 squared plus 109 times 2 plus c, and it's equal to 0. Okay, so let me just put that into a calculator. So 2 bracket 2 cubed minus 27 times 2 squared plus 109 bracket 2, and I'm getting 126 for that. So 126 plus c is equal to 0. So c is equal to, bring over the 126 and it becomes minus 126. So then fill it into your function that you've just found. So you are finding that f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 27x squared plus 109x minus 126. Okay, and that's you showing that f of x was that. Okay. Part 2, find the coordinates of the points B and C. Okay, so this is the same as you have one of the roots of a cubic equation. So in other words, you know that x is equal to 2 is a root. Okay, in other words, where does it cross the x-axis? Well, it crosses it at 2. Okay, therefore, x minus 2 is a factor. Okay, so to find the other two factors, there are a load of ways of doing it. You can equate coefficients, you can sub in your x minus 2, or of course, a very common way is long divide. Okay, so long divide into our cubic function, which was 2x cubed. Oh, sorry. 2x cubed minus 27 x squared plus 109x minus 126. Yeah. Okay, so let's long divide in. X into 2x cubed goes 2x squared times, and now you must multiply that by everything on the outside. So 2x squared by x, 2x cubed, 2x squared by minus 2 is minus 2 2s are 4, x squared. Put a line under it, change the sign, change the sign. They will cancel, 2x cubed and 2x cubed. And I'm left then with minus 27 plus 4, which is minus 23 x squared. Take these down, plus 109x minus 126. Okay, and repeat the process. X into minus 23x squared goes minus 23x times. Multiply that by what's on the outside, so minus 23 by x is minus 23x squared. Minus 23 by minus 2 is plus 46x. Put a line under it, change the sign, change the sign. They will cancel. Plus 109, so 109 minus 46 is 63. Minus 126. Repeat the process. So x into 63x goes 63 times. Multiply that by both terms on the outside. So 63 by x, 63x, 63 by minus 2, minus 126. Minus plus, change the sign, they cancel. Okay, so the other two roots are within 2x squared minus 23x plus 63. In other words, the quadratic that we just found up there. You can factorize that, or you can minus b it. A is 2, b is equal to minus 23, c is 63. So the x values is minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, so let's put them in. Minus 23 plus or minus the square root of minus 23 squared minus 4ac all over 2 times a. Okay, so let's come up and finish it. So minus 23, x is equal to 23 plus or minus. So I'm just putting the square root bit into the calculator. Is the square root of 3 squared minus 4 bracket 2 bracket 63. So I'm getting 5 for that. All over 2 2s are 4 on the bottom. Split them up. I get 23 plus 5 over 4. And x is equal to 23 minus 5 over 4. And to be honest, I would expect two positive values for this, because if that's x is equal to 2, this is on further, and this is on further again. So if I was getting negative values for x's, I would be a little bit worried. So I'm kind of happy that 23 is so big there that it's going to make all of these answers positive. So 23 plus 5 over 4, 7. And 4.5. Okay, so you found the other two roots. So it's clear then that the one that comes first must be B. Okay, so the smallest one. So therefore B is the point 4.50 and C is the point 70. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice. In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.